Welcome everyone to the card kit reveal and inspiration for our latest card kit, Etched Greetings. And I'm going to start off with the Etched Greetings 6x8 stamp set. It has beautiful flowers at the top, which remind you of the Victorian days. They're really beautifully etched and designed. Then there's also some larger greetings that you can cut out or add as a main feature to your cards, and also some smaller messages that you can pair with those larger ones. We're also including the Simon Says Stamp Fancy Thanks die, and this is a two-piece die that you'll need to clip apart, but it has that really beautiful shadow that sits behind the main thanks message. You can stack those up and add them to your cards for a really nice design. Also in this kit is a sheet of the Kathy Zelsky or CC Design Reverse Gratitude Sentiment Strips. These are really great to cut apart and add to your cards. There are main messages and also subtext. And these are printed with toner ink, so you can use them with your foiling and laminator. You'll also receive an 8-pack of the Simon Says Stamp gold foil to give this type of foiling a try. You're also going to receive a sheet of the scrapbook adhesives black foam, and these are really great to have under darker pieces. And those are 1/2 inch squares, and they can be cut apart for smaller pieces. You'll also receive a full pack of the Tim Holtz Ideology Organic Layers Ephemera. This pack is full of florals and birds and greens, and there's also some larger pieces that you can add to the backgrounds to do some layering. And the style of these goes really well with your Etched Greetings stamp set. The paper for this kit comes from Crafter's Companion, and it's their Delightful Daisies 6x6 double-sided papers. They feature white daisies on the front of each sheet, and then the back side has a complementary color side, and some of them are designed with a wood grain, and some are just a lighter version with faded flowers. The colors are all soft and muted, and perfect to coordinate with your stamps and also the Tim Holtz ephemera. These designs will be perfect for backgrounds to your cards for a spring feeling or also moving into summer. They can be stamped and embossed with those messages from the stamp set for a really unique look with a floral background. So again, that is from Crafter's Companion Daisies Collection, 12 sheets in total, double-sided, 6x6. We're also including the Simon Says Stamp Metallic Bronze A2 envelope, and it has that peel away strip so you don't have to lick it to stick it. For the papers, you'll receive one of the Simon Says Stamp 40-pound vellum, and this is perfect for die cutting and using as a shadow behind your die. Also, you'll receive the matte gold cardstock, and this is another great one for using with your die cuts. You'll also receive a sheet of Desert Storm 80-pound and Simon Says Stamp Green Leaf in 100-pound. And to round out the kit, you will also receive a Simon Says Stamp mesh zipper bag, and the colors will vary from kit to kit. These are the perfect size for fitting all the contents of your kit for easy storage and convenience. Up next, I have some inspiration using the contents of the kit from our designers. I've created a card where I've used the flowers from the stamp set onto the Desert Storm cardstock with some clear ink, and then added some ephemera and a die cut on top. Cindy Norberg created a card where she stamped the flowers right onto the pattern paper and then colored them with her hello greeting at the top. Kathy Zelsky created a clean and simple card, and she foiled her sentiment strips and used the ephemera as her main focal point. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our latest card kit, Etched Greetings. We have some links in the description box below on how to purchase this kit, and also to our blog post with additional inspiration. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.